name? Huh? Gentlemen! What was all that about? I don't know. Gentlemen! DJ! Back with Robert and Spicer. Well, what was that? Come on, Spicer. Fine. Go, you piece of shit. Oh, shut up, you dumb winterhead. Shut up. What the hell? Yeah. Welcome to the Bad Guys Report. But here's where you can be a bad guy for only $5. Would you like to join on the Bad Guys team? Help me. There, I helped you. What about that one? Oh, I know what to do. I was meant to hit you with it. Well, you did. I did that time, didn't I? Okay, let's enter this dumbass place. Yeah, let's enter it. Where the hell are we? There he is, up there! Captain Butterpants? Yeah! Or is it Mr. Boss's spirit? We defeated him, remember? Oh, yeah. Huh? Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Someone's entering. We gotta kill them. Yeah, we gotta. Oh, donuts. Shut up, Homer. Oh, shit. Hell. Oh, hold on. Hello, Sprite. Shit. No one can stop me and my team. Okay, Spicer, you deal with the crocodile. I'll deal with that dumbass dog. Okay. Here, time to fight. I knew somebody. Be an idiot. Hello. Oh, I see. Yeah, definitely. Pidgeys! Get them! Pidgeys! Pidgeys, what the hell? Pidgeys? Really? Don't know. Do it anyway. For God's sake. Don't know good people anyway. For God's sake. Hello. Okay, time to I'll let you else you knocked it down. Me. I'm gonna trap you in the cage, Spicer. No, don't do this. Bye. There we go. Now it's time for you. What the hell was that? The jab. Dude. Freaking jab. Now let's put him in the cage. Like everybody else. Come on, you piece of shit. Go in there with your friends. Okay. We got everybody down. No one can stop us now. I'm gonna stop you, obviously. Come here, you piece of shit. Who are you? You don't know me? Who doesn't know me? Well, they know. Who are you? Oh, sir, you don't know my name. Because you were idiot. Let yourself. Now it's time of day. Daddy, who did you talk to? No shit. Of course you don't. Hey, I know. What are you? You're Robert's friend. Yes, I am, Roberto. Oh shit, I am. Now it's time to die. And you done. Hey, hop. Oh, sir. Trust me. You don't know how to fight. Now it's time to go next. Who wants to go next, you little chicken? I do. Actually, forget this. Beep. Hey, Icy, you want to be a chicken like that? Roberto, don't do this. I have to risk my friends. Well, you shouldn't tell me. I already did. Now it's time to go, everybody. Roberto, I haven't seen you in a long time. I know. Where were you? I was in San Francisco, and I was, relaxing. Wait, where's my spear at? Well, time to do another trip. Well, Roberto, we didn't meet you for that long. I know. Time to do a trip to the hospital. Again. Ready for round 2? Yeah, so you were truly at the hospital? No. I was on San Francisco. Whatever it was. Come on. Go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's escape out of this mess.